Happy morning, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine and enjoying the online class from your home. Welcome back to Mahila Samaja Digital Classes. Subject EVS. Topic Celebrating Together. Class 4th Standard. Dear students, in today's class, let us know about celebrating together. Some days are celebrated all across the country, like Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Teachers Day, Children's Day, etc. Celebrate means to mark a special day, event, or holiday. Like we celebrate a birthday, a festival, and a holiday, or even the anniversary. We celebrate these days together. We celebrate our Republic Day on 26th January every year. Our national flag hosts all government buildings and in education institutions and housing societies. Republic, a state, country in which the supreme power is held by the people and their elected representatives. In republic, there is a nominated or elected president as the head and not a monarch or king. Republic means by the people, for the people, and of the people. On Republic Day, the parade on Rajpath displays the might of the Indian military, navy, and air force. The President of India receives the salute from the armed forces and hoists our national flag every year on 26th January. On 26th January, the parade showcases the technological and scientific advancements that our country has made since independence. The cultural programs presented by the different states bring out the diversity of Indian culture. The President gives away the gallantry medals, bravery awards are also given to children on the eve of Republic Day. These children are special guests in Republic Day parade. Constitution, a system of rules and laws by which a country, state, or organization is governed. The Indian Constitution was adopted on this day in 1950. On 26th January 1950, the first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, took oath. The governors of states also hoist the national flags in their respective states' capital. Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, India became free from British rule. We celebrate this day as Independence Day every year. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort in New Delhi. He also addresses the nation and tells them about the achievements and progress of our country. Mahatma Gandhi. We celebrate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi on 2nd October every year. He showed us the way how to get freedom from the British, and he succeeded. That is why he is called the father of our nation. You know, children, he was a very humble person and people lovingly called him Bapu. He was laid to rest at Rajghat in New Delhi. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888. He was an eminent educationist and believed that teachers worked very hard and needed to be honored at least one day in a year. He chosen his birthday as that day, means Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is a fun day in schools as senior students become teachers and the teachers are given a party by the school management. Students also organize a cultural program for the teachers. Dr. Radhakrishnan was the first elected Vice President of India. He served as Vice President for 2 terms and then became the President of India in 1962. The President of India honors selected teachers with a national award every year on 5th September. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day all over India. Lots of competitions are held for children like singing, dancing, debates, quiz and sports, etc. He believed that children are the future of a nation and that the adults should take special care of them. You know, children, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India. He loved very much, so he declared his birthday as Children's Day. And children also loved him and they called him as Chacha. Points to remember from this lesson. Some days are celebrated all across the country. The Indian Constitution was adopted on 26th January 1950. According to the Constitution, India was declared as a republic. This day is celebrated as the Republic Day every year. We gained freedom from the British rule on 15th August 1947. This day is celebrated as the Independence Day. We also celebrate the birthdays of Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Hope you understood the lesson. Thank you everyone for watching.